Hey, it's Red Lace, and I'm going to show you how to open the chest in the Haunted Maze in Stardew Valley on the PC. So you can only get to the Haunted Maze during the Spirits Eve event, which starts at 10 p.m. on Saturday the 27th in the fall season. So when you see the message that the event's begun, you can head on to the town square. And when you first show up, you will see that there is a shop that you can buy a couple things, jack-o'-lantern recipe, and one of the rare crows, number 2 of the collectible set. And so next you'll want to go down and talk to the mayor, who usually has some advice during these events. So good evening, Red Lace. Have you ventured into the haunted maze yet? It's quite spooky. So we're going to go back up here and go into the haunted maze. And I'm going to show you the direct route to the chest that's inside the maze. So you're going to go to the right, through these hands, and then to the left. You're going to want to take a left before the TV. And if you want, you can talk to Alex. There's something weird over there, but how do I get to it? And he's referring to the box straight above him in the dark area. Then you want to take a left and go to the fountain. You can talk to Abigail, who is scared of the spiders, and that is to the left. And then you'll go up. And then you'll run into Sam. That's odd, it's just a dead end up ahead. So when you get to the end here, there is a sign with a question mark, and it looks like a dead end. But you can actually go through the bushes on the left. Then you're going to want to go up and through this little mine shaft, and when you hit the end, you're going to go down and then continue to go right. And then there you are at the chest, and now you can open it and get your reward, which is a golden pumpkin. You received a golden pumpkin. It's valuable but has no other purpose is the description, and so we are definitely going to want to sell that. So when we leave the event, we're going to go to our shipping container, put in the golden pumpkin, and then head to sleep for the night. So when the summary screen comes up, we will see Other and the golden pumpkin, which was worth a whopping 2,500 gold, so definitely worth the reward. So that's how you open the chest in the Haunted Maze during the Spirits Eve event in Stardew Valley. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, and watch me live on Twitch, all at Red Lace Gaming. Also visit my website, redlacegaming.com.